Hi everyone. Today let's talk about a headache for many factories, polymer film bubbling. Whether you are producing optical films, window tints, battery separators, or flexible laminates, bubbling is almost inevitable. Have you seen this too? The film bubbles after a few days, gets bumpy like sesame dots, or cracks under aging tests. In fact, bubbling isn't just about air getting in. It often comes from solvents, moisture, and byproducts already trapped inside the film. These small molecules become active under heat or stress and burst through weak points like layer interfaces, forming bubbles. We can break this down into 3 steps: source, nucleation, and growth. Step 1. Where does the gas come from? Mostly from residual solvents, reaction by products, or moisture from the environment. Step 2. Where do bubbles start forming? Often at defects, interfaces, or agglomerated particles, so-called energy valleys. Step 3. Once a bubble forms, it grows fast, especially in softer materials or under hot, humid conditions. So, can we prevent bubbling? Absolutely, by acting on 3 fronts. First, choose low moisture, absorption, heat, stable materials, like PET over nylon 6 in optical films. Second, process control. Dry and degas thoroughly. Allow pre-curing before lamination to avoid sudden gas release later. Third, environmental control. Especially in humid regions, keep humidity around 45-55% RH dealing with film bubbling issues. Send us a private message to get tailored anti-bubbling advice and expert film recommendations.